Did you know your 20s are the most powerful decade for building wealth? Yet most young professionals waste it on lifestyle inflation, bad investments, or not starting at all. In this video, I'll share 7 smart money lessons I wish I knew in my 20s so you can avoid such mistakes, build wealth faster, and create financial freedom earlier than most people would do. Your 20s, the best decade to build wealth. Hi, this is Taresh Bhatia, a certified financial planner CFP, author, The Richness Principles, and founder of The Richness Academy. And today's video, these 7 tips can change your life in your 20s because you will be building something for your lifetime, an opportunity which rarely comes for people who have perhaps not seen this kind of a video. We're not taught anything of this kind in our schools or colleges, and no textbooks or courses telling you how you can do this. I have coached professionals, couples, and entrepreneurs to design their path to financial freedom. And today I want to give you the blueprint I wish I had in my 20s and could have enjoyed much better in my earlier years as such. So today, get ready. Keep pen and paper ready. 7 lessons. Lesson number 1, take calculated risks early. Yes, you have to take calculated risk because in your 20s, assume a 24-year-old starts SIP of just 5,000 rupees versus his friend who at 30, look at the difference at 25 and 30 is in crores. Same mutual fund, same tenure, but he starts 5 years later. I would say now build and keep aside an emergency fund where you can take equity risk also. You keep it aside for emergency fund also. So your risk in 20s is your friend, but only when it is calculated. And your biggest asset today is your 20s, time, your time in your life. Don't look at the charts, how to build up, make it very simple. Side number 2, lesson number 2, build a side hustle or a passive income for sure. Think about it, plan it. So young IT professionals could have a side hustle, a baking side hustle, 10,000, 50,000. You can plan as a planned side passive income. You could be teaching AI, or you could be telling somebody how you can do it something. So one salary can be risky, but salary is not stability. Side hustle is freedom. Being a freelancer and telling somebody how to do something is an online side income. So plan it, think it, and do it. Lesson number 3, guard against lifestyle inflation. I knew a banker. Every salary hike, EMI hike, buying something new, upgrading, always upgrading. I would say look at my 40, 30, 20, 10 rule, a separate video, and automate your SRPs every month. Lifestyle inflation is a silent wealth killer. Automate SIP. Spend the leftovers. So understand EMI versus SIP. Lesson number 4. Learn from your first investment failure. A 25-year-old lost 1 lakh rupees in crypto investments and is afraid to do any investments. Loss is your tuition fee of investing. Failure is equal to tuition, not defeat. A falling chart on what you have done could also be a recovery graph. Lesson number 5. Start SIPs today and step them up by your salary expected increase, let's say 10% every year. 25,000 SIP today into 20 years could get you 2.6 crores versus a step up could get you 5.1 crores. So step up SIP, salary growth plus wealth growth. Step up SIP is your wealth multiplier for future. Step up SIP could be your secret formula in your 20s to create wealth without thinking much. Lesson number 6, align money with your life goals. I've seen couples making a money vision board. When money has purpose, you enjoy savings also. So, money without meaning is wasted. So have a vision board, put family photos, what you want in your lifetime, where you want to visit, travel, things you buy, car, house. Lesson number 7, the golden rule of your 20s. Start early, invest consistently. Let's take an example. Assumed rate of returns 5,000 SIP in 20s could be crores in 60s. Start small, start now, start consistently. Compounding, the power of compounding is huge, especially after the 10th and the 20th year of your investments. So I've given you these rules which I have found to be working effectively in my professional life. Your 20s are for calculated risks, building side hustles, fighting lifestyle inflation, learning from failures, stepping up SIPs, aligning money with goals, and above all, starting early. If you found this useful, hit the like button, subscribe, share this with a friend in their 20s. Download my ebook 10 Steps to Financial Freedom, given in the description below. Give me 3 questions which you think I haven't answered and I should be taking up, and I will try and answer in the future videos. Book a one-on-one clarity session with me with the link given below. Remember, it's not about how much you earn. It's about how smartly you manage and grow it. A decade today in your 20s, this is the best decade to build wealth. Your salary is your stability. Your side hustle could be your financial freedom. And lifestyle inflation is a silent wealth killer. Silent wealth killer. And any failure which you experience, just mark it as tuition, not defeat. Tuition fee for a failure, a lesson I learned. And this secret formula of 10% SIP increase every year, mark it as wealth multiplier, Taresh given formula. So start small, even 1,000 rupees SIP. Step it up by 10% every year and stay consistent, make wealth the easiest way. That's from me, Taresh Bhatia, your certified financial planner, giving you some great ideas which I've learned coaching, mentoring, and guiding clients who sent their children to me to start when they're getting their first salary in their early 20s. And dozens of them became so happy with the 7-point formula I've given you, because it could keep in mind SIPs, a vision board, a travel, family aspirations, wealth creation, and these smart 7 money lessons in your 20s could be the secret wealth building formula for you. The smart money lessons in your 20s, 7 smart lessons, could be your secret recipe for not looking at anything else but just building your wealth. In this decade, in this video, I've shared these 7 smart lessons I wish I knew in my 20s. I've given you these so that you can avoid these mistakes, build wealth faster, and achieve financial freedom much earlier, leading to happiness, joy, and success for you today and the family you build tomorrow, and the wealth you create for your own self tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do like, subscribe, and comment in this video.